shopping with me at Target to see some of the deals starting May 26th. Our favorite household deal is back, spend 50, get 15. And we'll look at some food deals, and some are only good till Monday. The Crest toothpaste has $1 digital and a $2 Ibotta rebate that's attaching. There's a few that you can pick from. I picked the Crest Pro Health, which is $3.99. Minus the dollar and the $2, you get this for 99 cents. And there's two Target digital coupons. If I unclip the dollar, I wonder if the $2 may have come off. Next item here is the Dial Refill Soap. It refills up to 6 refills. It's on sale right now for $4.99. You got to clip the Target Circle special, and then there's an Ibotta rebate for $2. So you'd pay $2.99. That's like 50 cents per refill. I wanted to show you this deal in case you really need this product, and it's a good product. Cetaphil makes this eczema cream for flare-up, and it's $14.99 times 2, $29.98. You get a $5 Target gift card for spending $25, $6.50 back on Ibotta. It makes it $18.48 or $9.24 each. So the Coppertone Suntan Lotion has 2 stacked offers. Spend $25, get 5, and a 20% off Target Circle coupon. So that makes them about $7.14 after the 20% off. 4 of those are $28.58. You get the $5 Target gift card, and brings it down to $23.58. There's a $2 digital and a $2 hand tag. So you get these for $4.89 each. Next, I'll show you what I bought for the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. The first product I got was the Raid House Protection. It's $5.99, so $11.98. There's a $1 Target digital coupon. I got 2 of these on each one, so it's $9.98. And then you get $6 back in Ibotta, leaving it to be $3.98 or $1.99 each. So I added these into my deal because I needed them. There's the Off products. I got the Clean and Feel and then the Off Deep Woods Dry. It was $6.29 plus $8.29, so $14.58. That's including a $1 discount within the Target app and then $2 on Ibotta, being $12.58. Next, I added in the Scentiva toilet bowl cleaner for $2.29. There's a $1 Target digital coupon, bringing it down to $1.29. I also got this large bottle of Arm & Hammer Deep Clean. It handles up to 68 loads. It's $11.99. There's a $1 digital coupon in the app, $3 on Ibotta, and then there's a Peely with the QR coupon for $2, bringing it down to $5.99. And if you've already submitted for that coupon, try submitting from another device. The Dawn Power Wash is $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon within the app, bringing it down to $3.99. Then I got the Small Spaces from Febreze. I actually found one for $3.29. Minus the $2.30 digital, you only pay 99 cents for this. I got this huge 48-ounce bottle of Pine Sol. Reminds me of my mom. She always used this for $7.99. There's a $1.50 I bought a rebate, bringing it down to $6.45. This product's hard to get discounts on, so I always grab it when I see one. And then I picked up 2 of these Clorox toilet bombs. They were $4.99, totaling $9.98. There's a $3 rebate back on Swagbucks, bringing it down to $6.98. I thought this was a good deal. You can get 2 packages of hot dogs for $5. Make sure you pick the right ones. And then you can also get the buns for $1.59 or $3.18. So this is a soda deal that's good through Monday. You get 40% off if you buy 3. So if you buy 3 of the Starry, that's $4.61 with 40% discount. That's $13.81 minus 3 on Ibotta. You get it for $10.81. And here's another good deal that ends on Monday. The Tostitos and the chips are 2 for $5. So the pet care treats are 15% off. These greenies went from $6.29 down to $4.54. And this includes the dog treats as well. If you need baby items, you should stock up when this promotion is here. Spend $100, get a $20 gift card. If you haven't maxed out the splashers, they're on sale for $8.69. If you get 5 of those, you get $7.50 back on Ibotta, $15 back on Fetch. You end up paying $21.50 or 57% savings. This would count as $46 towards the $100 spent. Plus, you can get these Easy Ups for $28.49, and there's a $3 Fetch rebate. And there's extra savings with the red card. I saved an additional $1 when I put this in my cart online. And one idea for the final product is you can add these ninjamas for $28.49. There's a $4 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $24.49. So if you get all these products, it's going to total $69.08 after Fetch and Ibotta. And then you'll get a $20 gift card, bringing it down to $49.08. That's over a 50% savings. And this is how you beat inflation and you save during these times. Thank you for watching the video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe so you can tune in and know when I post more videos. And have a great day. Thank you.